rubbed Dolores the wrong way. Eventually, Tom realizes that there's only room for one controlling woman in his life. And he makes up his mind who that's going to be.
Susie and I had the same values. We wanted to work to build a life together, maybe have some kids. It was just the typical American story.
After graduation in June of 1970, Tom and Susie make it official. Both families do their best to put on a happy face at the wedding. But one unsuspecting family member gets a taste of the real Susie Newsom. Apparently, Janie Lynch, Tom's sister, shows up to their wedding, and her dress is wrinkled. Well, Susie goes ballistic and says she's not going to be in my wedding. How dare she show up in a dress that's wrinkled? And almost ruins her own wedding.
That it got settled and she was in the wedding, but it was a scene.
Another omen, perhaps, of the ugliness to come. But for now, the newly married settled into wedded bliss as Tom begins dental school back home in Louisville.
At the beginning of the marriage, we were happy. We got along fine. We had some friends, and it was a happy time.
But there is one
Kissy.
hanging over there happily ever after. The couple's new home is mere miles from Tom's parents, the Lynches. A little too close for comfort as far as
Kissy.
is concerned. Dolores was still wanting to decorate for them, to cook for them, to do the things that Susan needed to do as a new wife. Dolores loved the
Susie would talk about what a witch she was.
Kissy,
And
kissy.
Dolores would go back home and tell Jamie that God, she's off.
Ah,
I wish my son had never married her.
qué lindo. Besito, besito, besito.
Wives don't get along with their mother-in-laws.
Besito, besito.
That girl
Kissy, kissy.
wrapped around her little finger, and there's nothing she can do about it. But with grandkids on the
No,
way,
Paquito.
she knows she'll have something nice.
Kissy, kissy.
John was born in 1974. His brother Jim was born just 2 years later.
Besito.
Both of them were namesakes.
Oh.
They looked like the picture-perfect family.
She was a good mother. She took care of the boys, took them out to play, dressed them well, fed them all the time, played with them.
But all good things must come to an end. And when Tom moves the family to Albuquerque, New Mexico, the veneer of happiness shatters forever. He had a friend who lived there and introduced him to a pair of doctors who invited him to be part of their practice.
I loved Albuquerque. I loved New Mexico. But things weren't quite as genteel in Albuquerque as they were back home. I think Susie started to get a little disillusioned